Okay, our next reaction type is single replacement. Our reactants are copper CuCl2 plus magnesium, which is copper parentheses 2 according to Roman numeral ionics, chloride plus magnesium. The product we are trying to achieve is magnesium, Roman
No, Roman numeral.
Alright, magnesium chloride plus copper.
Here is your magnesium.
Okay, now I just dip it in here.
Yeah, I think you just drop it in there, and then we wait for it to react. Alright. It's already starting to bubble, so that is definitely an indicator that it is reacting. Because that is a formation of a gas right there.
You think you need to go in deeper?
That should be good. Don't worry about it. It's definitely reacting. I just turn the flask. The liquid's starting to change color. It's starting to turn green. Sorry, starting to get cloudy, hard to see through.
I'll be taking this real quick.
No, thank you. I'm not gay. Go Packers!
Oh, you're already
Yeah, go Cheesehead. Yeah! They still suck.
Y'all are talking like y'all aren't better. Like y'all are better.
You have this